Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Flashback. Ba't mo naman
Bakit
sinira
mo naman
shirt
kasi
ko?
pinabukas?
Pre, ba't mo? Second vlog, Sunday.
Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025.
Hawak mo tan.
Pre, sabi ko ikaw magka...
Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy? Was it Danny? Is it...
Ano nakita natin?
May court. May naglalaro. Sa bag ko.
Magmukha tayo anak mayaman ka. So pre, hindi naman ako mukhang mayaman eh.
Anak lang.
Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy?
Chat. Pinayagan tayo maglaro. Pwede tayo makalaro sa kanila. Okay lang. Basta pabakawan ko si Nico.
Was it Danny? Is it
Nakakagalaw, sakit ng ko.
Ako nga, nasusuka eh.
Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck?
Tingnan mo yung suot namin yun, Nico.
Nigger.
Ay, Julo. Basahin mo.
I sensed Ethan was here, bro. I sensed that Ethan was here. Precious, my soul guides me along this.
What's up, chat?
Bro,
You're not talking.
okay, so mag-ano tayo, venue tour. Naka-live tayo ngayon. So tayo, nasa living room tayo. Living room, yung court nasa labas. Ayan, si Sohan, sabi
Sohan.
daw sa court. Court nasa labas. Ito, saan to?
Oh yeah, hindi. Front yan. Oh look.
No, we can... Naulan? Ay, uy, ayan yung arcade. Ay, ang ganda ba yun? Ito, so, ito.
Tingnan yung chat.
Ano tawag dito?
Tara. Front porch, I guess.
Front porch.
Dito nga. Pero look at this chat. Look at this chat. Tingnan mo.
Ayan, so yan yung venue natin. So, chat, so ito yung activity place. Yan, may basketball, may arcade, may billiard. Yan, so isang shoot muna tayo kasi hindi ako top.
Oo.
Alam ko pwede yan eh. Kahit yung 2K lang yung normal.
Yo. Did it crash? Chat. Oh! Yo! EA Sports! It's in the girl.
Vlog ka pa niyan.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
Baby girl.
Ano gagawin natin ngayon?
Hey, Coach Teng!
Oo, lalangoy na kami.
Sasama ko yung cellphone nito!
Ako di ko to cellphone. Pero waterproof to. Patunayan ko.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl.
So we at the resort, right? Yeah.
Bro, there was no soap there, bro. I had to use hand wash.
We make him make walang oras na hindi siya nakipag-bond sa atin. Walang oras, pre. Not even a minute, bro.
Girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your home.
Girls, take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me. If
Kayo magbabay, kayo magbabay.
Kaya parang kaya.
I see your waist shrunk, my love.
Asan yung iba? Naliligo na agad yung iba eh. So tapos na po yung a day in the life ni Ethan. Bye guys, so 1 na.
Overtime.
Natin.
Ay, 1 o'clock. Bye guys. Airway, airway. Okay.
Sex and cash, those are 4 things I can guarantee my love. Hey.